English pronunciation poem, The Chaos by Gerald Knowles. There is creature in creation. Study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like a corpse, horse, and verse. I will keep you Susie busy. Make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will dead air. So shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare hurt, bird, and herd. This indict, Lord and sword. Sword and sword, written and written. Mind the letter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words and pluck in ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stick, but blake and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and to. Hear me say, devoid of trickery. Daughter, ladder, and tispoker. Typhoid muscles, topsails, axles. Excels, smile, and reviles. Solar, baker, sugar, solar, mika, far, and war. One anemone, bull moral. Kitchen, Latin, laundry, Lauren. Goethe, German, and wine and mine. Saint Malpon, McKine. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is man like a soul. In world viscount, load and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. In your pronunciations, okay. When currently in correct. Crowded, wounded, grave. And saved friend and friend. Alive in life. Ivy, privy, famous, clamor. Raver, rebel, tomb, bomb, comb, dole, and roll.